Have you ever felt like someone important is getting closer to your life, even though you've never met them? It may sound strange, but the universe rarely brings people together in loud, dramatic ways. Instead, it works quietly, through small moments, subtle changes, and unexpected coincidences. The problem is, most people miss these signs. They're waiting for something obvious, while the universe is already moving things into place behind the scenes. When two people are truly meant to cross paths, life often begins preparing them long before they ever meet. A random conversation, an unexpected detour, a lesson that changes everything. Alone, these moments seem meaningless. Together, they tell a much bigger story. In today's video, we'll explore 5 silent signs that the universe may already be bringing you and someone special closer together. And be sure to stay until the final sign, because it's the one most people only recognize after the relationship has already begun. And once you see it, you'll never look at coincidences the same way again. Sign 1. Life keeps gently pulling you in the same direction. Have you ever noticed that certain things keep showing up in your life, no matter how hard you try to ignore them? Maybe it's the same place you keep ending up at, a hobby you've suddenly become interested in, a topic that keeps coming up in conversations, or an opportunity that refuses to disappear, even after you've turned it down once before. At first, it feels completely random. You tell yourself, it's probably just a coincidence. But what if it isn't? Sometimes life doesn't push you forward with one big moment. It nudges you with small, repeated ones instead. Each experience quietly guiding you toward a path you don't fully understand yet. Think about the times you've unexpectedly changed your plans. Maybe you accepted an invitation at the last minute, decided to visit a place you normally wouldn't, or started learning something simply because it felt right. In the moment, those choices seem ordinary, but later they often become the reason everything else falls into place. The universe has a curious way of repeating what matters, not to confuse you, but to make sure you notice. The same themes appear again and again until you're ready to follow them. It's almost as if life keeps whispering, "This way." The interesting part is that these repeating moments aren't always about the person you're going to meet. Sometimes they're about becoming the person you're meant to be before that meeting ever happens. Every experience teaches you something. Every delay builds patience. Every challenge shapes your perspective. Without realizing it, you're slowly becoming ready for a connection that wouldn't have worked if it had arrived too soon. And that's what many people only understand when they look back. What once seemed like random events suddenly connect like pieces of a puzzle. The places, the conversations, the unexpected opportunities, they were never separate stories. They were all leading you toward the same destination. Sometimes the universe doesn't prepare the meeting first, it prepares you. Sign 2. Meaningful coincidences start happening more often. Have you ever noticed how some coincidences don't happen just once? They keep happening until you can't ignore them anymore. At first, they're easy to dismiss. You think of someone out of nowhere, and minutes later they send you a message. You keep seeing the same numbers during moments when you're searching for answers. A certain name, song, or place appears again and again, even when you're not looking for it. Individually, none of these moments seem extraordinary, but when they begin repeating, they make you pause. You start wondering, why does this keep happening? The truth is, not every coincidence is a sign. But when different moments begin pointing in the same direction, they become much harder to overlook. It's almost as if life is gently tapping you on the shoulder, asking you to pay closer attention. These quiet patterns have a way of appearing when you're going through change, when you're healing, when you're growing, or when something important is slowly finding its way into your life. The strange part is that they often arrive when you least expect them, not when you're desperately searching for answers, but when you finally stop trying to force everything to make sense. That's when life seems to leave small reminders that you're exactly where you need to be. Maybe it's a conversation that answers a question you never asked out loud, or a familiar place that suddenly feels different. or a simple moment that fills you with an unexplainable sense of peace. None of these experiences can predict the future on their own, but together they can remind you that not everything meaningful arrives with certainty. Some things arrive quietly, almost unnoticed, because the universe doesn't always announce what's coming next. Sometimes it simply leaves a trail for you to discover, one coincidence at a time. Sign 3. You start changing without even realizing it. Have you ever looked at yourself and thought, I don't react the way I used to? The change didn't happen overnight. It happened quietly, little by little, without anyone pointing it out. One day you stop chasing people who don't value you. You stop holding on to conversations that leave you drained. You begin protecting your peace instead of fighting for attention. At first, these changes don't seem connected. They simply feel like part of growing up. But sometimes they're preparing you for someone you haven't met yet. Meaningful relationships rarely enter our lives when we're the same person we've always been. They often arrive after we've learned the lessons we once kept avoiding. Maybe you've started letting go of fears that used to control you. You're no longer afraid of being alone. You're becoming more patient, more understanding, more confident in who you are. You even find yourself wanting to improve, not to impress anyone, but because it genuinely feels right. You take better care of yourself. You think differently. You set healthier boundaries. And somehow, it all happens naturally, without forcing it. That's because real growth doesn't usually announce itself. You only notice it when you look back and realize how much you've changed. The person who once settled for less is no longer the person standing here today. And that's often the biggest clue of all. The universe isn't only preparing someone else to meet you, it's preparing you to recognize the right person when they finally arrive. Because timing isn't just about meeting the right person, it's also about becoming the right version of yourself. Sometimes the greatest sign that love is getting closer isn't that someone new appears. It's that you're becoming someone completely new first. Sign 4. You stop chasing and peace takes its place. There comes a moment when something quietly changes inside you. Not around you, inside you. You no longer feel the need to force every connection. You stop wondering why someone hasn't texted back. You stop trying to make people choose you. And surprisingly, it doesn't bother you the way it once did. At first, this feeling can seem unfamiliar. You might even wonder if you've become less interested in love. But that's not what's happening. You're simply no longer chasing it. Instead of feeling anxious about when the right person will appear, you begin trusting that the right timing will take care of itself. The pressure slowly disappears. You stop comparing your journey to everyone else's. You stop feeling like you're running out of time. Being alone no longer feels like something to fear. It becomes a space where you grow, where you learn more about yourself, where your happiness no longer depends on someone else's presence. And that's a powerful shift. Because when you're constantly chasing love, it's usually driven by fear. Fear of missing out, fear of being left behind, fear of never finding the right person. But when those fears begin to fade, something unexpected takes their place. Peace, a quiet confidence that tells you everything doesn't have to happen today. You begin enjoying your life instead of waiting for it to begin. You laugh more, you worry less. You trust the journey, even when you can't see the destination. Ironically, this is often when meaningful connections appear, not because you were searching harder, but because you've stopped trying to force what was never meant to be rushed. The universe has an interesting way of working. Before it brings the right person into your life, it often gives you something just as valuable: the peace to know you'll be okay with or without them. Sign 5. Deep down, you feel that something is about to change. Have you ever woken up with a feeling you couldn't explain? Nothing around you had changed. Your routine was the same. Your life looked exactly as it did yesterday. Yet something inside you felt different. It's not excitement. It's not wishful thinking. It's a quiet feeling that tells you a new chapter is getting closer. And the strange part is, you have no evidence to prove it. You can't explain it to anyone. If someone asked, "Why do you feel this way?" you probably wouldn't have an answer. You just know. Little by little, hope begins replacing doubt. You stop expecting disappointment. You catch yourself smiling about the future without knowing why. Even difficult days don't feel as heavy as they once did. It's almost as if a weight you've carried for so long is slowly being lifted. You begin believing that something meaningful is waiting ahead. Not because someone promised you, not because you saw a sign online, but because your heart feels strangely at peace. Many people ignore this feeling because it doesn't seem logical. The mind wants proof. It wants guarantees. It wants certainty before it believes. But intuition doesn't work that way. It speaks quietly. It doesn't shout. It doesn't argue. It simply waits for you to notice. And more often than not, it's the first part of you to recognize that life is beginning to shift. Long before your eyes can see the change, long before your mind can understand it, your intuition has already sensed it. Maybe that's why some of the biggest turning points in life don't begin with answers. They begin with a feeling, a quiet feeling that refuses to go away. So if you've been carrying that gentle sense that something beautiful is getting closer, don't rush to dismiss it. Sometimes your intuition sees the next chapter, long before you ever turn the page. As you've seen, the universe rarely announces life's most meaningful moments with loud signs or perfect certainty. More often, it speaks through quiet patterns, unexpected growth, and a sense of peace that slowly replaces fear. Maybe some of these signs felt familiar. Maybe they don't make sense yet. Either way, remember this. The journey isn't only about finding the right person. It's about becoming the person who is ready to recognize and receive a genuine connection when it arrives. So ask yourself one simple question. Have you been so focused on looking for signs around you that you've overlooked the quiet changes happening within you? Because sometimes the biggest transformation isn't taking place in your circumstances. It's taking place in you. And perhaps that's exactly where every meaningful connection begins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which signs spoke to you the most. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care of yourself, trust your journey, and remember, sometimes the greatest sign the universe is bringing two people together isn't that they suddenly find each other. It's that, without even realizing it, they're both becoming exactly who they need to be before they ever meet.